Hi friends, welcome to my tech video, and here I will demonstrate how to use an SMPS without a CPU. So for this you need an SMPS unplugged from the system and one cable to connect to the power supply and one this and one digital multimeter. At the first we have to take the cable and plug it to the switchboard. Later on plug it onto the SMPS board to check whether it is working. A short green wire and a black wire. Using this wire, using black and green. After that, on the power supply and see whether the fan is working. Yes, the fan is working. Since SMPS is good, it's running good. And to check for the further verification, we need to take the digital multimeter using Molex cable. The black one should be shorted on the black pin, and the red one on the red. And the multimeter shows the reading that is 5 volts and it's fine. After that, check to the yellow pin 2 and it's fine, it's 12 volt. Since the SMPS is working good, it's fine to plug into the system. Thanks for watching my video. You can subscribe or share the video. Thanks.